all of the brand new celebrations in FIFA 19. So my name is IceCarrot. Check me out in the description down below if you want any content about Ultimate Team, how to get coins, trading stuff. But enough of that. Let's get into these FIFA 19 celebrations so you can start using them on FUT Division rivals. So the first brand new celebration is Little Brother. For this one you need to hold L2 and double tap circle if you're on PlayStation, and on Xbox hold the left trigger and double tap B. Next up we have Giddy. So for this one you need to hold the left bumper on Xbox and press in the right stick, and if you're on PlayStation hold L1 and press R3. Here we have Phone It Up, one of my favourite one of the new celebrations. So if you're on PlayStation you want to hold L1 and hold R3, the right stick up, and on Xbox you want to hold the left bumper and then hold the right stick up as well. So again, all these celebrations are pretty simple. You have the PlayStation and the Xbox controls for everything. The next celebration for you Ronaldo fans is the double C. So this one you have to be actually playing on Ronaldo, I believe, and then you just press to tap A if you're on Xbox or X if you're on PlayStation. A teammate has to be nearby you and you can do the double C celebration. Here we have another cool celebration, Hang Loose. So for the controls, on PlayStation you want to hold L1 and then hold the R3 button up and then down. And on the Xbox you want to hold LB and then with the right stick hold it up and then hold it down. So yeah, this one, another cool celebration out of the new ones. The next new celebration is Neighborhood. On PlayStation you want to hold L2 and then flick the R3 or the right stick down twice. And on PlayStation hold the left trigger and then flick the right stick down twice. And then you can crouch down, get your teammates over and show off your celebration. Here we have a classic celebration, Kiss the Ground. I'm surprised this is actually a new celebration. I feel like something this already should have been in FIFA. So the controls on PlayStation, you want to hold L2 whilst holding R3 to the right. And on Xbox, you want to hold the left trigger whilst holding the right stick to the right. Here we have Matador, I think that's how you pronounce it. On PlayStation, you want to hold R2 whilst holding R3 down and then up. And on the Xbox, you want to hold the right trigger whilst holding the right stick down and then up. Here we probably have my favourite out of the new celebrations. Even though how they've animated it, it doesn't look very good compared to real life. But we have the Millie Rock, the Jesse Lingard signature celebration. Really simple for this one. You have to be playing as Lingard. On PlayStation you just have to press X, and on Xbox you just have to press A. And this Millie Rock, if you compare it side by side with a real life one, it doesn't really look the best. Here we have another Ronaldo signature celebration. This one can be performed when the win is secured, and all you have to do, the #1 celebration,